With improvements in technology, automation and AI, primary care can finally get some help. And with more patients to look after for longer and less funding available, it's perfect timing. Meet MyBotGP, your personal helper that applies your bespoke rules to determine a normal from abnormal pathology test results. It's a specialist tool that applies your check and then files the normal results, leaving only the abnormal blood test results for a clinician to review. Reviewing pathology tests takes time, something you are short of, and a high percentage are normal based on checks, so don't need you to review them. Think of MyBotGP as your personal assistant, sitting in the background, safely following your rules to review all blood test results, filtering and only leaving you with the test results you want to see. Getting started is a snap. Download in just 5 minutes and you'll have MyBotGP up and running in an hour or two. MyBotGP lives at your practice, so if acquired by a practice, PCN, Federation or ICB, each practice will have their own copy and can customise what rules are used themselves, something that's important in primary care. MyBotGP is installed in minutes and uses your logic to filter. Set your own blood test minimum-maximum ranges, keyword searches on the pathology reports, ability set filing logic by gender and age range, apply patient history checks by going back into the patient record to check percentage changes against previous test results. You can even apply separate ranges for vitamin D insufficiencies, prostate, additional checks for HbA1c, as well as send patients messages to confirm a negative result. It's your rules, your way. Whether you're a single practice, part of a PCN, or federation, MyBotGP is your perfect fit. Different practices, different rules. After a quick download, everyone has their copy. MyBotGP has you covered. Audit trials are important, and everything MyBotGP touches is tracked and logged. At any time, you can review what is done. Just imagine having the majority of your normal pathology tests reviewed, filed, and patients messaged for you. Time given back, reduced cost to the practice, enforced rules, and satisfied patients. MyBotGP is the upgrade you've been waiting for and deserve. MyBotGP. Finally, primary care can take advantage of new technologies to free time, reduce unnecessary cost, and improve patient care. Refine your approach to pathology filing with MyBotGP. MyBotGP, refining how you manage pathology filing. Try it today and experience the change.